Orange.
Did you just see that? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Saja and I make fashion and lifestyle content. So today I'll be doing a little review on this brand called JUST4KIRA. So they so kindly sent me a couple of contact lenses that I will actually show you how to wear and how they look on brown eyes. And it's really helpful to know how certain colors look on brown eyes, because for me, I honestly struggle with that a lot and I don't really wear contact lenses much. I think I've worn them like twice in my whole entire life, and don't mind the birds, I'm outside filming. So let's get right into it. So I'll give you a close-up and show you guys how everything looks. So this is the box. It looks like that. It's really pretty. I absolutely love it. And then when you open it, this is what comes in it. So you get a little thank you card, and it actually has the directions at the back, which is really helpful. And it has all the lenses in individual boxes, and I will tell you the colors that I got as well. And it also comes with little cases, which is really helpful. So for the first color, we have crystal gray. So this is the box, and it's like a little like fluorescent box. I absolutely love it. And then you just open it up, and then it comes with the little paper and then the contact lenses in the solution. And you actually have to soak the contact lenses for around 6 to 8 hours prior to the first time that you use it, so be mindful of that. So let's get right into it. These are my eyes before the contact lenses, and now we're going to put in the contact lenses. So I am going to open them, and I'm just doing a little bit of a close-up because I want you guys to see how I actually put them on and the difference. All right, ladies, we've got the first one open, and make sure your hands are washed and clean beforehand. So I've washed my hands, and you have to pat them dry as well. So we're gonna pick up the lenses, and I actually like to do this with my fingers. I do not like to use the tools that it comes with. So this is crystal gray, and we're gonna make sure that this is not inside out. I think it's not inside out. Let me just see. So if it's inside out, it will be like a cone shape, and if it's not and it's like a rounded oval, it is the correct way. So what you have to do, I probably should have taken off my lashes, but it's okay. So you gotta grab 2 fingers, one up. Whoa! Why does this happen to me? Alright, so you have to go 2 fingers down, 1 finger here, and then plop them in. So I'll be right back when I put them in. So don't mind my watery eyes, but this is how the contacts look on one eye, just for a comparison, so you get to see. This is how the right eye looks, and then compared to my natural eyes. So this is crystal gray, and they feel so comfortable. So another tip for you guys, that if you don't know if they're inside out or not, when you pop them in, if they feel really uncomfortable, that means they're inside out. So pop them out, and then just flip it over, like just literally bend it, and then put a little bit more solution on, and then pop it in, and you'll be good as new. I'm going to pop in the other contact lenses and then get right back to you. So this is what it looks like with both the lenses in. They're just like a really pretty like gray, and I love this color personally because it's still dark and I feel like it suits my features a lot. So this is honestly gorgeous. Tell me what you guys think, and let's go on to the next color. So I just want to show you guys how the contacts look in the little case that they give you. It's so freaking cute. It's like a clear acrylic case, and they also come with like these 2 little tools. So one to actually pop in the contacts and one to take them out. I'll show you real quick. So it comes like with the little tweezer thing to take out the contacts, and then this is like the little dome to actually plop them in if you like to use it. And then the little tools fit perfectly in the case, and then there you go. The next color that they gave me was scyther gray. So this is how the box looks like as well, and they actually look quite similar to the other ones, but they've just got the gray on it. So I'm gonna pop them on and let's see how they look on. So this one is scyther gray, and I know my eyes are watery. Every time I put one in, it just like waters out completely, but this is how it looks. This one's actually really different to the one before, which I actually was not anticipating, but this is really pretty, and I'm going to pop in the other one to show you guys how it looks. So this is with both of the scyther gray in. That's how they look like. This color is so different. I love it, and it looks really good with my outfit as well, weirdly. And it honestly does get easier and easier as you keep putting in contact lenses. Like the first time I did it, it was so hard, and it took me like I think like 20 minutes to put one in. But this is how the scyther grey looks. Tell me what you guys think. Alright, so the next color I have for you guys is Aurora Blue, and I'm really excited for this. So we kind of did like a really like grey blue type color, and then we did more of a like a hazily grey, and now it's blue. So I'm hoping it's like a bright blue, and yeah, let's get right into it. So this is Aurora Blue. Oh my god, guys, do you know how like crystal this is? Wow, like if I had eyes like this, I would be blown away by myself. I'm just crying from how beautiful it looks. This is one eye of the Aurora Blue, and I will pop on the other one. So this is what Aurora Blue looks on both of my eyes. I know, I just can't say this enough. My eyes just water at the start a lot, but this is how both of them look. Now, I actually might say, like from far, you can see that it's like more like a sea blue. In real life, it's more of a crystal blue. Honestly, I wish I had colored eyes. These contacts are absolutely gorgeous. So this is how they both look like in and from far. Wow. So this is how they look close up. Tell me what you guys think. We have one more left, and let's get right to it. So the last color that they sent me is Hanthy Green, and this is how the box looks like. And this one is actually in a little black box with some pink fluorescent at the top. This is so freaking cute, and I cannot wait to pop these ones on. These ones are soft contact lenses, so let's pop these in. So this is one eye with the scyther green, and this is the natural eye. Just look at the close-up difference. So this is the Hanthy Green, and it literally looks like I have brown eyes. So if you're looking for something really subtle, then you can go for these ones, and I'll give you a close-up. I popped both of them in. So up close, they look really pretty and green, but from far, you can't really tell. And let me tell you, when this one says soft lenses, you can feel it. Like, these are so pretty on. I love them, and they just went in so well. Like, they went in really smoothly, and I didn't really have much of a hard time putting them in. So I do recommend these ones if you're looking for something really light. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification button so then you get a notification every single time I upload a new video. And I really hope you guys like this, and you guys can use my code SAJA for 20% off. So make sure to honestly check them out. They're such a good brand. I love them, and I really hope you guys like this video. If you like watching me do little reviews and things like that, then make sure to comment down below the videos that you'd like me to make, and I shall see you guys soon.